What if I told you your brain might still be growing right now? Even if you're 40, 60, or pushing 80, your brain could still be quietly forging new neurons, defying everything science believed for decades. For most of the 20th century, neuroscientists thought the adult human brain was like concrete. Once set, it couldn't change. We were born with a fixed number of brain cells, and as we aged, we just lost them. No regeneration, no growth, just decline. But in a twist that could rewrite neuroscience textbooks, a groundbreaking study has just confirmed that the adult human brain continues to produce new neurons well into old age, sometimes even past 70. Let's unpack this. Researchers examined brain tissue from deceased individuals ranging from newborns to 78-year-olds. But instead of just looking for mature neurons, they looked deeper, right down to the molecular fingerprints of developing cells. Using cutting-edge techniques like single-nucleus RNA sequencing and spatial transcriptomics, they didn't just find neuron-shaped structures. They found real evidence of active neurogenesis. That means actual brain cell birth. And the location of this miracle? The dentate gyrus, a small, spiral-shaped structure nestled within the hippocampus. If your brain is a library, the hippocampus is the librarian, organizing memories, emotions, and learning. And the dentate gyrus? That's the part writing new books. Turns out, it's still scribbling away, even in the elderly. Now, this isn't just an academic curiosity. It could have massive real-world implications. Think about it. If your brain can make new neurons in late life, then conditions like dementia, memory loss, and even depression might not be irreversible. Boosting neurogenesis could become a new frontier in treating cognitive decline. And here's where it gets even stranger. Not everyone's brain makes neurons equally. Some older individuals had abundant neuron-producing cells. Others had barely any. The reasons? Still a mystery. Genetics? Diet? Sleep? Maybe even mindset? This study doesn't just prove that adult brains can grow new neurons. It raises questions science can't yet answer. Why do some people generate more neurons than others? Can we train our brains to do this more efficiently? Could neurogenesis be the biological secret behind young at heart minds? What if memory loss and aging isn't a guaranteed fate, but a process we can actively slow or even reverse? It's a tantalizing possibility, and it forces us to rethink what it means to age. Your brain might be older, but it's not done. So next time someone tells you, you can't teach an old brain new tricks, you can tell them science disagrees. And who knows, maybe the real key to staying sharp isn't found in pills, but in unlocking your brain's own regenerative potential. Want to hear more mind-blowing discoveries that science can barely explain? Then smash that like button. Share this with someone who needs to know their brain is still growing. And subscribe for more weekly drops like this. I am TechBug, and I'll be here unraveling the mysteries science hasn't solved yet.